Can you automagically create a slide deck or a presentation just by typing in a prompt? We're about to find out. My name is Jordan Wilson. I am the host and creator of Everyday AI. This is a daily live stream podcast and newsletter helping everyday people like you and me not just understand AI, but how to actually use it. So let's actually use some AI for this segment called AI in 5. So, what is this tool that automagically can create a presentation for you? So, it's called Journey. It's a new feature by Journey that says you can just with words create a pitch deck, create all these different things. So, we're going to give it a try. To get started, it's pretty easy. You can create an account with one click with Google or Microsoft. So, you can click try it out, and then you can go ahead and sign up. So, I went ahead and signed up, but I haven't done anything else yet. So, let's figure out live how this works. So again, pretty easy to sign up. I'm logged in here. I haven't done anything, so let's do it together. Let's see if we can automagically create anything. All right, so pretty easy interface here. Pretty simple to navigate around. So I assume I'm just going to go create journey and let's see. So here is this Automagic feature. So it's saying what is this journey about? So topic. I can do topic or sales. So I'm just going to do topic, and I'm going to say, actually, maybe I'm going to do sales. Okay, so it looks like here you can enter recipient's website URL. So let's enter the Your Everyday AI website. Let's see if it works. So there are some recommendations, some autofills. So I don't know if it can only do a certain number of websites or if it can do anything. Presumably, it would do any website you put in. So this is loading right now. So again, let's just kind of take a quick look as we're waiting for that to load around the website. So as soon as I said that, let's take a look around. It actually finished. So let's go ahead and jump in. So all I did was enter the URL, and I chose sales, and you'll see here it automatically or automagically looks like it created a pretty good deck here. So it used kind of a complementary color. It has my logo. So I actually signed up for this as Your Everyday AI. So presumably, if you were using this for client acquisition, it would have two different logos, not one. So it's looks pretty good right here. It's already, it looks like it created some very strange images. So you can tell these are AI generated by the hands that definitely don't look like hands. So let's kind of read this. So it says seller organization, Your Everyday AI. So I'm not going to read this whole thing, but it looks like the content is pretty decent. It's not talking about anything in particular. It's just, your everyday, it says kind of your everyday AI is here to cater to your needs. So kind of scrolling through here, it looks like it's creating a deck. I'm not sure what you would use this for. So again, it says how your everyday AI can solve prospects' challenges. We have some weird hands there. So I do use, AI generated images a little bit here and there, and I can already tell that they're not probably using the highest quality one. Maybe this is Dolly, Dolly 2, something like that, but the images are not very good. Midjourney, I think, is the leader in this space. So I think one of the big advantages of using something like this, this journey.io, is you want to be able to use something out of the box as is. And right now, just with the quality of these photos, each one of these has, no one would use this photo just because the hands aren't working correctly here. This photo looks okay. The text is all right. And again, these hands here don't work either. So again, although it created a little bit of a deck, it doesn't seem like it's that great. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click back. It's taking me back to the original sign up, which is fine. I'm going to go ahead and create something else, maybe not a sales one. We'll see if it's any better. So topic. I'm just going to say the history of generative AI. And then let's start the journey. So again, we're doing the Automagic option. I clicked it. It didn't look like it worked. So let's try it again. So a couple small little bugs here. All right. Second time. So it says deciding on it. starting to write the content. So we'll see if it's a little better on the second time around. So again, this is just didn't prepare anything. We're trying to do an AI in 5, so trying to show you this whole platform in about 5 minutes, give or take. So the first one, when we chose sales, it was okay. I don't think I would use that for anything sales related necessarily. So we'll see if it's better for a topic. So it looks like it stopped generating, but so again, a couple bugs, but that can be expected. So it started to generate and it stopped. So we'll try it one more time. So it says deciding on the journey title. So it's going through, it says generated 18 of 19 sections, but doesn't look like we can finish. Give it another second or two here. It says thinking of some great images to use. So it started to go through all these prompts last time. All right, we'll see if it finishes this time. It looks like it's almost generated all of the sections. We're at 8 of 9, wrapping it up. So maybe it did work the second time. All right. So we'll see if this is any better. So far, I can already tell by looking at the slides here on the left, this one looks better on a topic. So maybe something if it's a little more defined, like the history of generative AI versus just putting in the your everyday AI URL. So introduction, okay, this is cool. Talking about generative AI. Early developments. Let's see if it gets it right. It does. Alan Turing, 1950s actually is when technically generative AI kind of start. Okay, so this part looks pretty good. So again, didn't go through everything in this new tool, but it looks like if you're using it for topics, for the topics kind of feature or function, that might be okay if you're using the topics for at least for this Automagic. The sales, I was not overwhelmed by it, but there might be use cases where it works. Maybe if it's a bigger company, someone with a little more background in history. But this is AI in 5, so I'm not going to spend another 10 minutes going over this. But let me know what you think. Is this something you would use or not? I think maybe if you just need a quick presentation and you use the topic, it might be worth checking out. So as a reminder, please go to youreverydayai.com. Sign up for the daily podcast. So we have the daily podcast newsletter, everything live stream, helping everyday people use and understand AI. So that's it for the AI in 5, and we hope to see you back again.